What's up, i2 Future? Apple just dropped iOS 26.3 Beta 2, and while it might not be the flashiest update we've seen, there are some seriously interesting changes happening under the hood. From game-changing messaging features to Android transfer tools, and even hints at the future of Siri powered by Google's Gemini AI, this update is laying the groundwork for something big. Let's dive in. So iOS 26.3 Beta 2 landed about a month after Beta 1, and here's the thing. This isn't one of those massive feature-packed updates. Instead, Apple is focusing on refinement, bug fixes, and some back-end changes that could revolutionize how we use our iPhones. The update size varies depending on your device. We're talking around 4.75 gigabytes on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it could go up to 11 gigs on other models. So make sure you've got some storage space ready before hitting that update button. Now, the most exciting discovery in Beta 2? It's all about RCS messaging. Tech sleuths found new code strings in the Messages app, specifically one labeled Supports E2EE, which stands for End-to-End Encryption for RCS messages. This is huge because Apple promised encrypted RCS messaging was coming, and it looks like iOS 26.3 might be the update that finally delivers it. Here's where things get really interesting. Apple is making it easier than ever to switch from iPhone to Android. Yeah, you heard that right. This new feature, developed in collaboration with Google, lets you transfer your entire digital life to an Android device just by placing the two phones next to each other. We're talking photos, messages, notes, apps, passwords, and even your phone number, all transferring wirelessly without needing to download any special apps. You can find this new tool in Settings under General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and finally transfer to Android. Now, why would Apple make it easier to leave their ecosystem? Well, this is actually a European Union mandated feature, part of their push for better interoperability between platforms. Love it or hate it, Apple is complying, and honestly, it's pretty cool to see the walls between ecosystems coming down. Speaking of the European Union, there's another interesting change specifically for EU users. Beta 1 introduced notification forwarding for third-party wearables like smartwatches, and Beta 2 has refined this feature, though it appears to be region-specific now. This means EU users can forward their iPhone notifications to non-Apple Watch smartwatches and other accessories, giving them more freedom in choosing their tech ecosystem. However, some reports suggest Apple has removed or limited this feature in certain regions with Beta 2, so the implementation is still evolving. On the customization front, Apple has reorganized the wallpaper gallery. Weather and astronomy-themed wallpapers now have their own dedicated sections, making it easier to find and customize your lock screen with those gorgeous dynamic backgrounds. There's also been work on the liquid glass feature. Remember that controversial translucent effect? Well, Beta 2 addresses some of the desaturation issues users were experiencing, though reports indicate it's not completely fixed yet. Apple is listening to feedback and iterating, which is always good to see. And with February being Black History Month, iOS 26.3 will likely include Apple's annual Black Unity wallpaper when it officially releases. Keep an eye out for that beautiful design. Let's talk performance. Beta 2 includes a modem update that promises improved wireless connectivity and better stability. Always a welcome improvement, especially for those experiencing CarPlay connection issues. Speaking of which, the community is really hoping this beta fixes the wireless CarPlay problems that have been plaguing some iPhone 17 Pro Max users. Apple is also testing their background security improvement feature with updates labeled iOS 26.3a and 26.3b. This system allows critical security patches for Safari, WebKit, and other system components to be installed automatically between major iOS updates. It's all about keeping your iPhone secure without waiting for big software releases. Benchmark tests show stable performance across the board, with room for optimization as background processes settle in. The update does increase system storage usage slightly, so if you're running low on space, you might want to do some cleanup first. Now, here's the elephant in the room, or should I say the AI in the cloud. Apple recently confirmed they're partnering with Google to integrate Gemini AI models into future versions of Siri. While this won't debut in iOS 26.3, the groundwork is being laid right now. Apple stated they chose Google's technology because it provides the most capable foundation for Apple Foundation models. This collaboration aims to make Siri significantly smarter, more contextually aware, and better at handling complex tasks, all while maintaining Apple's strict privacy standards. The next generation Siri, often called Siri 2.0, is expected to launch later this year with iOS 26.4. But Beta 2 is already setting the stage with AI-driven improvements and backend changes that will support these advanced features. If you're enrolled in Apple's beta program, either developer or public beta, you can download iOS 26.3 Beta 2 right now through Settings General, Software Update. Just make sure to back up your iPhone first because beta software can be unstable. Based on Apple's historical patterns, we're expecting iOS 26.3 Beta 3 around January 19th for more fine-tuning. The final public release of iOS 26.3 should drop in late January or early February, so we're talking just a couple weeks away. The update is compatible with iPhone 11 and newer models, so if you've got a relatively recent iPhone, you're good to go. iOS 26.3 Beta 2 might not be the flashiest update, but it's doing important work. From preparing for encrypted RCS messaging to making platform switching easier, improving security, and laying the foundation for AI-powered Siri, Apple is playing the long game here. This is exactly the kind of refinement and preparation that makes iOS updates so solid. So keep your eyes on late January for that official release, and get ready for iOS 26.4 this spring when the real AI magic happens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Apple updates. Until next time, this is i2 Future, keeping you ahead of the tech curve.